Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm show you new Files app for Windows 11. Here you can see new redesigned Files app. This Files app has beautiful dark mode, all new features and improved Windows File Explorer features. This app has cool new animations. Also, this app has old Windows context menu features, but it redesigned. This File app has Details pane too, with cool new features. For an example, you can see when we select a video file, in Details pane showing the video preview. And we can customize this Files app from app settings. Also, we can add more tabs in this Files app. To get this awesome Files app, go to Microsoft Store and search for Files. Thanks for watching. See you later.